Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, May 28th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I called the Dow down hard today, and I was maybe two-thirds correct on this. The Dow did end up closing down 36 points, but that's not really down hard, but it did look pretty down hard the first 30 minutes. It sold off hard. I thought it was really gonna go, and then it kind of catches itself and slowly inches its way back up, as I say, eventually closing negative 36. However, I think from this lowest point this morning to where it closed, that is definitely just about as phony of a rally as this was yesterday, and I expecting more downside action. I'm going to call the Dow down hard again for tomorrow. Because of this bad sell-off right at the beginning, we saw our positive open trade equity from yesterday go to negative about $4,000. That really hurt, but what actually hurt me more was watching it in the morning. That open trade equity actually increased the first 10-15 minutes a day, and I took a screenshot of it, and I'll put it on the website. It was up like positive $5,000 for a few seconds anyway, and then everything fell apart. So we had a swing sell-off this morning in less than 45 minutes of about $9,000, and that hurt. You know, that just drives me friggin' crazy. Anyway, we did do pretty well with the positions we got into, and I think that's a function of the fact that we're getting this Dow down some from these highs up here, and the profit takers and the short sellers are not as certain about what they're doing down here, so it gives us a chance to actually get into some things that might make some money. I will show you I think 3 of those trades. Let's look here. I'll show you this. First one is in DDD. That's 3D Systems. We bought that about the second hour or after the second hour, and it just kept going. We're holding about $1,000 in 3D Systems. Got another one here. This is in Yelp, and you remember the huge trade we had in Yelp a week or two ago, and this isn't a huge trade, but it still looks pretty good. You know, last third of the day we jump into Yelp here, and it does keep going, closing near its high. We are holding about $1,000 in Yelp, and then the biggest trade of the day was in Recro Pharma, and this is a new market for us, and it's pretty thin. We got into this here on the pop-up, but it just kept going and closed almost at its high. We're holding over $3,000 in open trade equity in Recro Pharma, and some people get a little disturbed because I do trade some of these thin markets, but I just want you to look at this chart here and see where we got in and what happened after we got in. You know, this thing didn't scream to the top side. We had no trouble getting into this. We got into this without slippage in real time, and this thinness of this market did not cause us any difficulty at all. And Recro Pharma has been a real good stock for us. I like it. So anyway, we didn't make money today, but I am still optimistic, and I'm actually hoping and praying that Dow is going to take a bad hit tomorrow. That's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you all tomorrow on Friday.